First of all, I would like to thank God who have been with us till this moment. I also would like to thank the honorable directors of sports and youth affairs, government of Meghalaya, the respected judges, the fellow participants, and all of you here today. Here we are from Swkhd district, Khubor. The title of our dance that we will perform is Swkhd. Swkhd is our language. That is Maram.
In the midst covered hill of Khubor, the reaping season brings life and colors to the field and to people alike. The origin of Swkhd is that long ago, the people of Khubor were guided by the ancestor taught them how to cultivate the land, respect nature, and also honor the favor, honor the fruit of the rice and of the one that the people were do their labor. And throughout this dance, Swkhd, that we will be performed today, is that it promotes the traditional attire and the traditional reaping seasons of rice in Khubor.
boy.